Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Spec Info. Today is the short video on a KineMaster query, and the query is if you have to export a new file edited in a KineMaster, then there is no enough space to export that file. And also if you don't want the previously exported file, then in which file you can find that videos, so you can delete that and free up the phone. And I'm also gonna show you how to free up this space in the Android phone. Okay, so let's start. And before that, if you are new to my channel, so subscribe me and don't forget to press on the bell icon. So first I will show you. This is my KineMaster. This is my one project, and if I have to export this file, so I don't have enough space. See, my file is about 4 GB, around 5 GB, sorry, and the free space is only 2.61 GB. Okay, so how I can free the space so I can export this file? So this is all project. I don't want, if I don't want this project, so you can delete this. How? Just go in the my files, and this is my MI phone, my Redmi phone. So go to my files and go to internal storage. In the internal storage, now find the KineMaster folder. If you not, this is my KineMaster folder. If you not find it, then simply search here. You can find the KineMaster folder. Now the 4 files will be open in the KineMaster folder. Just go in the export one, and this is all the file you have exported. So you can simply delete from here if you want. I don't want to delete this, so your phone will be free. Okay, so that's all, and you can free up the phone. Now I will show you how to free up the space in the Android phone. Okay, so just go in settings. Now search for storage. And just click on storage, and you can delete this cached data. Okay, it's calculating, just a minute. So you can see this is 800 MB. I have last deleted this cache data before 2 days. So you can simply delete the cache data, so your phone will be free of space, free from this space. And also you have another option. You can delete the cache data, and also in file section you have one Android folder, this one. So you can delete this, all the media data file, all the media file, all the OBB file. It is not required. It is created when your app is used and the temporary memory has been created. See, here it is written that the content of this folder will no longer be accessible due to the system restriction introduction, and remove your personal file from this folder as soon as possible. So it is also telling us that you can delete this as soon as possible because it is no more required. So I will just select all and I can delete it. After I delete this, let's see how many space I get. And remember, remember that I have still not deleted that exported file from the KineMaster. If you will delete that also, then your phone will have more space. So it's deleting. Okay, the file which is not deleted, just leave as default, because it will be in use, or it is like needed file. Okay, so go back to KineMaster. Now just go to any project and export. Now you can see that 3.23 GB has been free. I have just deleted the Android file. Okay, so in this way you can free the space in your Android mobile and use the KineMaster and export your latest video very frequently. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my content and if you find this video useful, then give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press on the notification icon. Thank you.